Groups. You can use groups to create your own personal filing system within your library, giving you the power to organize your library your way. This EndNote library is made up of a number of records about Fugue, and right now it looks pretty disorganized. I see records for audio-visual recordings jumbled in with records for articles on fugue states in psychology. I can use groups to organize it. Let's start with some group sets for our broad categories: fugue in music and fugue in psychology. To create a group set, select Create Group Set from the Groups menu. Give your group set a name and press the Enter key. Let's repeat that. Select Create Group Set from the Groups menu. Give your group set a name and press the Enter key. Now to create some groups within each set. To create a custom group within a group set, right-click on a group set heading and select Create Group. Give your new group a name and press the Enter key. Let's repeat that. Right-click on the group set heading and select Create Group. Give the group a name and press the Enter key. You can add records to a custom group by dragging them onto the group name. Custom groups show a folder icon, and records must be added to them manually. EndNote can also organize your records for you with smart groups. With smart groups, you define a search, and EndNote constantly updates the smart group with the results of that search. To create a smart group, right-click on a group set and select Create Smart Group. Set your search criteria. Name your search. Then select the Create button to create the smart group. There are also groups created by EndNote, both permanent and temporary. For example, there will always be an All References group showing all the references in your library. If you have references in your library that are not in a custom group, they will appear in the Unfiled group. You will see temporary groups appear as the results of actions taken in your library. For example, there will be a search results group after performing a search. You can also create custom groups from highlighted references in your library. To create a new custom group for this set of references, I select them all, then right-click and select Add References To, then Create Custom Group. Give the group a name and press the Enter key. If you decide to change your system later, you can do that. I'll create a new group set for composers by renaming this group set. Right-click and select Rename Group Set. Now I can move my group of records about Bach under the new Composers group set by simply dragging that group to the new location. You can have up to 500 group sets per library and up to 500 total groups per library. Group sets can contain both custom groups and smart groups within the same group set. I can continue adding groups and group sets until my library is organized just the way I want it.